house. We got the buffet here for 120 baht. So he's putting this. Did you ask if it's vegetarian? Vegan. Vegan. Bamboo? Yeah. I'm gonna get those vegetables there.
This is green curry.
Mm-hmm.
And this is what?
Third portion here. Got green curry and vegetables.
Good.
120 baht, either we can.
And we ate everything.
With all the rice.
It's just us here.
What if somebody else can? The vegan pancake. I just like the maple syrup.
Try.
Vegan pancake. Vegan pancake. Go.
Where is the latte?
Mm-hmm. Tuk-tuk going back. So bye bye Chiang Mai. Hopefully see you next year or doing some other adventures. We'll see. Boarding. This plane looks a little bit old, but I trust it. So they're gonna put our bikes here. Where's the flight attendant? Oh shit, I don't think it's gonna fly. What do you think, guys? Is there even pilot here? Oh fuck. There's no pilot here. Alright. I guess we took the wrong plane.
Got in the wrong plane?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
And I didn't see a pilot or flight attendant or even chairs to sit. Let's try another one.